wheels, built to perform better and look cooler. Take racing to new heights. Jump, stunt, crash. Now the fun begins.
Hey Hot Wheels fans, it's Hot Wheels Doctor Teen. The reason why I'm showing this video that was uploaded yesterday from this subscriber is because on Wednesday, May 31st, which is the final day of that 5th month, Hot Wheels Unleashed 2 Turbocharged is going to be released on Thursday, October 19th, 2023. Which means it will be about 4 months away with this release. So all of us will have to pre-order it. I mean, you don't even have to do it, but my suggestion is, my answer to that is that I'm not 100% sure about this Hot Wheels Unleashed number 2 game. Now, I want to tell you about that first Hot Wheels Unleashed. Let me tell you this. Hot Wheels Unleashed video game, the first one that was released on September 30th, 2021, was the best motorsports game of the year. And it was sold for only 2 million units of that games that were sold. But now, I saw this from Amazon, and they're doing about just $19.99 for that game, for that Hot Wheels Unleashed version number 1, but not version number 2, because I'm not very sure about what the expectations are, or what I'm gonna be seeing from my Hot Wheels Unleashed experience for this new year to come. So I'm gonna be taking a look at Amazon to see how much it costs for that Hot Wheels Unleashed number 2 Turbocharged. Let me see about that game. Okay, so that game has not been released from the Switch yet. We may have to take a look at those gaming devices, because it only says for the PlayStation 5 for Hot Wheels Unleashed Turbocharged, but I don't see the one on Nintendo Switch, but I found the Xbox one. Well, actually, to be honest, no. They just come up with the Hot Wheels Unleashed one for that price, but it may say about $49.99, but I'm not really sure. But with all that, Hot Wheels Unleashed 2 Turbocharged will be released on Thursday, October 23rd. Many of you know about this update that I just sent on Instagram for Hobbles Unleashed. I was asking them if they're going to be doing something with that game, but I haven't got the answer back from them, so not really sure what the expectations are. Oh, there it is. There it is. So for Xbox Series X, PlayStations 4 and 5, and the Hobbles Unleashed Turbocharged for Nintendo Switch, $49.99. Now that is going to be a little bit of a pricey one, but it says that we could pre-order it right after the release. So it's up to you, but if you're having some issues with experience about the first one where we had to buy and purchase money for cars and then the packs and then the expansion packs from Hobble City, it is totally up to you. For me, I'm thinking about buying it, but I'm not 100% sure about the game till I see the actual official for that trailer. So I'm still waiting to hear from that experience. But with all that, I'm pretty excited about the game. Wonder what the graphics are going to look like. But it might be very different because it is going to be outside. Well, not 100% sure. But I hope this game will be the greatest version for that Hobbles Unleashed. Now I don't want to be jealous about that. I just don't even know what's going to happen, and my screen just made the expiration time. But with all that, thank you all for watching for this. But I will be uploading that Don't Get Chomped by the Alien challenge accepted video. If you're new on the channel, please like and subscribe, and please consider subscribing. Thank you so much, and hope you all have a good rest of your school year and also summer that will begin on Wednesday, June 21st. So 20 days till summer, and school's out for the next 3 months. All right. Have a good day. Hobbles 13, signing out.